2018 Best of the Boat winners drinks.
Best Opera, Winter. T-Bar Steamboat.
Best Bar, Laundry.
Tied with the Barley Tap and Tavern. Best Bartender. Todd J.J. Johnson.
Best Bloody Mary, Creekside Cafe.
Best Brewery. Storm Peak Brewing Company.
Best Coffee Shop, Mountain Brew.
Best Craft Cocktail. Laundry, Fiery Margarita.
Best Happy Hour, Mahogany Ridge Brewery and Grill.
Best Locally Brewed Beer. Butcher Knife Brewing Company, Amputator.
Best Margarita, Salt and Lime.
Best Place to Watch the Game. Dude and Dan's Bar and Grill.